Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my EDL 851 Module 1 introductory video. I am currently a 6th grade math teacher at Learned Middle School, where this is my second year in that position, and this is my third year teaching overall. Why do I want to become a principal? I want to be able to impact more than just the 20 students that I have in my class, and so being a principal, I'll be able to have the larger impact on more students. I also want to continue to be able to build relationships with teachers, students, parents, and community members. I want to be a positive role model, have a positive influence on teachers, and encourage leadership within them and encourage continuous learning. And I also want to inspire a passion for teaching and learning, not only in my teachers that I will have, but also in the students. Encourage them to always strive to be wanting to learn more. My personal experiences with supervisory responsibilities. I've been a middle school and high school coach. I have also served on the district science committee and math committee. The first one was the science committee in my first district, and then the math committee in my second district. On the first one, we kind of worked at kind of understanding the next generation science standards, and then I was able to kind of go back to my building and kind of share the findings with them, kind of what the expectations were to follow the standards with our curriculum. And then the district math committee was in the district I'm currently in, and we worked to look at how our current curriculum books aligned with the standards and what we kind of do to make connections across grade levels. And so I did a lot of work with my team to kind of make those adjustments. And then I'm also part of the professional learning committee with my grade level team, where we kind of meet weekly and kind of talk about our students and kind of goals that we have for them. My personal experiences with past evaluations. Since I'm in my third year of teaching, I have been evaluated every single year. The McRail program is what has been used. My first year of teaching, I also was involved in a mentor program where my mentor would come and observe me. We did different things where she did encourage me to kind of videotape myself while teaching and then go back and watch it. And so that was more of just kind of an informal evaluation with her. And then my principal also came in, did the McRail evaluation, the scheduled evaluations, and then she would also do a walkthrough just very periodically. Kind of, she came in with a little check sheet, just a quick evaluation whether we had our objective on the board and kind of the content we were covering. At my current school, I've also had those scheduled observations, and my principal also has one unannounced evaluation that he conducts every semester when we're in our evaluation year. And my current principal, he's also in our classroom almost daily, at least a few times a week. He just kind of pops in, just a very informal evaluation to see what we're doing. And so I kind of really appreciate that. Shows me kind of that he's involved and wants to know what's going on in my classroom. That really I don't get much feedback from. That's kind of just more for him. I really do after my scheduled evaluations, I go and kind of sit down with him and we can kind of talk about what I thought went well. Then he gives me kind of his input. So thanks for watching. I hope to learn a lot from this class. Thanks.